Hey guys, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be putting together our Mainstays 12 cube bookcase. This is our white finish and it can be found at walmart.com. Before we start, you want to make sure that you have all of your pieces and that none of the panels have any damage or that any of your hardware is missing, and you can find out how much you need of each in the manual. If there is damage or anything missing, you can call this number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. And if there's nothing wrong with the pieces or anything, we're ready to assemble. Okay guys, so for step one, we will want to take our A panel and two cam bolts, and you will want to screw them into the outer two holes. And when you're screwing them in, make sure to screw them in upright. So for step two, you will want to take 8 dowel pieces and 2 F-boards, and you will want to insert the dowel pieces with about 3/4 of an inch sticking out. You'll do that on both sides. Continuing with step two, you will want to take 2 B panels, 8 dowel pieces, and 4 cam bolts, and you will want to stick the dowel pieces into the end just like the F-boards. And then you will want to screw the cam bolts into the outer 4 holes. Okay, so continuing with step two, you'll want to take 2 C panels, 4 cam bolts, and 8 wood dowels. Then you want to screw them into the outer 2 middle holes. And then put the dowel pieces on the ends. And then repeat that same process for this other panel. So for the final part of step two, you'll want to take a E panel, 2 cam locks, and 4 wood dowels. You want to put the wood dowels into the end. And then you'll want to insert these cam locks into the holes with there's a little plus and minus there. You want them facing towards the outside of the panel. Okay, so for step three, you will want 1 C panel, 3 E panels, and 1 B panel. And you'll want 6 of these long screws. So you'll take your C panel and then your E panel, and you'll want to align these cam nuts this way. Okay, next you will want to take your B panel, and then to help cam bolts enter in easier, you want to make sure that each of these nuts on the inside have their plus and minus faced out this way. And then to tighten it, you just twist it clockwise. And then you'll want to take your E piece and screw it into the top. And you'll just want to repeat the process we made for making this one and just do it again. Okay, so for step 4, now that you have these 2 pieces built, you want to slide them together and tighten them. And then you'll want to take your remaining E panel and add it in to the end. Okay, so for step 5, you'll want to take your 2 F panels and screw them in. Okay guys, so for step 6, you will want to position your A panel on this end with the cam locks and the D panel on this side. So to put the A panel in, remember to put the plus and minus on this cam lock facing this way so that the bolts can slip in. Okay, and then you'll want to take your screws and screw them in. Okay, then you need to screw in your D panel. Okay guys, so for step 7, you'll want to take your G panels and these little nails, and you'll want to put the panel down with the unfinished side facing up, and make sure whenever you're hammering them to go directly into the wood. Once you've finished assembly, you can use these provided cover papers to cover up the cam locks.